morning, folks. I wanted to take a minute to talk about something that's really important, especially during a remodel. Sorry about the background noise, but we have fans and dehumidifiers going today, and that's actually what I wanted to talk about. It's so important when we have all this mud. It introduces a lot of moisture into the environment, and especially in a project like this that's down in the basement. Basements, this one's waterproof, but it still holds a lot of moisture. So it's not always enough to just run fans or turn up the heat in the house. What we're really fighting with is humidity and all that extra moisture being in the environment. So especially during any project, whether it be new construction or remodels, we've just come to learn that it's super important to control the moisture. So we have dehumidifiers going and fans, and that's just to move the air around and get it as quickly as possible to our dehumidifiers. There's one in the back. So I just wanted to take a minute to show you how we deal with moisture. It helps speed up the drying process, but it also helps all of our products that we'll be installing, trim work, caulking, paint, to not crack in the future and to show stress marks. So just a little update. Thanks for watching, and we will see you on the next one. Have a great day.